Hi guys, in today's video we're going to introduce how to do OSC mapping on Kommander. First, install Touch OSC Editor on your computer. Click Open and open the kommander.touchosc file. You can message our WhatsApp to get the file. When installing the Touch OSC app on your mobile device, make sure that both your mobile device and the computer are connected to the same local network. Using an Android device as an example, go to the OSC settings, enter your PC's IP address and host, and enter the value from Kommander into port outgoing. You can find in Settings System OSC. In our case it is 10,000. Leave the other configuration options as default. Then in Touch OSC Editor, click Sync on the toolbar, and a Layout Sync window will pop up. It means they're now in sync. Open the app, click Layout, Add from Editor, and if no item appears in the list, enter your PC's IP address in the host field and click Download to sync the layout from your mobile device. Click Yes. After the sync is complete, you'll find Kommander at the bottom of the layout list. Select it, return to the previous page and click Done. Now go to the software and enable Receive OSC. Now the settings has been done. Currently, it supports switching from PVW to PGM, lock, and other controls. It also supports adding effects like strobe, zoom, and auto jitter, as well as switching plans and groups. You can also add custom commands. First, right-click on the computer interface, select Push button, customize the color, open the software, copy the target command key from Kommander, uncheck Auto, paste the command, then right-click to add a label, enter name, and click Sync again. After reconnecting the mobile device, it will be ready to use. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.